today, 22nd February, we started the journey on 23rd of September, exactly 5 months before. And if you remember our first vlog, it is the same vibe we have, and now we have the same vibe. At that time we stuck in the rush, and here today we stuck in the rush as well. I'm nostalgic right now. We have the same thing, but it is daytime. At that time it was night. See, and today we have a Yom Ta'sis. So we are also celebrating Yom Ta'sis, and we are going to Cornish, but it's too much crowded, and I don't think so we got the parking. Yes, beta. बड़ा झंडा है। अरे वाह यार, देखिए पहले ये गाड़ियाँ देखें। सारा हाथ हिला दो अंकल को। Zara is touching from the outside. Zara, no.
Zara.
Yeah.
High
five करो. Okay. Last time on 23rd September, we take a U-turn from here because of our family and our kids are not doing well. So they opened the U-turn for us and we take the U-turn. But today it's not too much crowded and it's too early. So we are going in that way, but the Cornish is on the another side. So let's go somewhere and then we will come to the Cornish from long route. तस्वीरें खिंचवाने के लिए खड़े हैं। देखो कैमरे वैमरे सब लेकर आए हैं। Now we have take a U-turn after almost 4 kilometer. इन्होंने सारे रास्ते बंद किए हुए। They jam all the ways to take the U-turn. See, we are on that road few minutes back. Now we are in this road, and it took almost 10 minutes to take a U-turn. Now we are not going to the line of Cornish, and we are just going in this area, and we will have something to eat, then we will go. So basically they are celebrating the founding day at Cornish, and they are just wearing the old traditional Saudi dress in a way they used to wear. So now they are just refreshing, I think, the old culture, and they are enjoying. So we are got the parking, alhamdulillah, there, and we are at the Cornish now. So we are going to the main spot where we have the firework. Maybe we have it or we don't, I don't know, but let's go and explore. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to our new vlog. Today we have a second day of Yom Ta'sis and we are again on Cornish. Yesterday we were very unfortunate, there was no firework, but we heard that today we have like firework today here at 9. So we are here, alhamdulillah, and we reached to the main point. You can see this green building. This is a place where we have the firework. So right now, today The Cornish is much crowded. You can see the people here in their national dresses, and kids are in their national dresses. There too much celebration is going on here, and everyone is waiting for the firework. The people bring their chairs and everything, make a setup of kava. So this is their traditional dress. So this is a famous store where we have many options for tea, drink and something. Let's buy something from here.
Yeah, she that one will go there. Okay?
So there is a queue to buy something, so we have to be in a queue. Let's go. So basically we didn't find anything. Now we find Danube, and we're going to Danube to bring something, but there is a barrier, so we go from there. So Alhamdulillah, we have bought so many things from Danube, and now we can enjoy and eat something and see the firework. May Allah make it happen because काफ़ी ख्वारी हो गई बॉस. वैसे सऊदीया के अंदर पैदल चलने का कोई रिवाज नहीं है, और वी आर नॉट यूज्ड टू फॉर दैट activity as well. We are unable to walk, but you know, see the crowd right now. Everyone is stuck in the jam, stuck in the traffic jam. So we are blessed right now that we have a parking and we are walking. So Alhamdulillah, we are coming back to the same place. Look at this queue. This queue is for the bathroom. This is natural life. I cannot see anything. So we are back in town. The water and Pepsi, we got this from this Bakala, and we have to find some good option for the kids. Some activities going. Let's see. ये खाली करा रहे थे और जितना टाइम ये ले रहे थे मुझको लग रहा था कि कुछ और ही कर देंगे, लेकिन दे हैव डन नथिंग. एनीवे, इट वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस. sometimes we have to waste the time as well. So it's okay. Let's go. So it's about to be 9, and after 7 minutes the firework will start if there is firework. But I'm now sure because all the crowd is coming from here to there. Now you can see everyone is we are here, and everyone is here. So as soon as the firework will start, we will share. So the excitement level is increasing because it's only 3 minutes left, and we all settled. The pupils are coming in a crowd. So let's see. We are very excited for them. So only 2 minutes are left, and everyone is so excited. Yes, what happened? Only 60 seconds left. Amazing. Last time we see from here, and it is from here. It is amazing. Sarah, do you like it? You love it? Javeria. ये पैटर्न चेंज होगा. सुभान अल्लाह. ये देखिए पैटर्न चेंज हो गया. माशाल्लाह. क्या हुआ ज़ारा? कम करी बाबा को. Look at the crowd. Oh! Zara, come here. It was super excited, mashallah, and we enjoyed a lot. And my kids are a bit afraid, but it's okay because we are very near and amazing. Wallahi, worth watching. Worth watching. Finish. Javeera is a bit excited. Zahra is afraid. Zahra, क्या हुआ? कुछ नहीं हुआ बेटा, कुछ नहीं हुआ. Zahra थोड़ी डर गई और Halima. Everyone is enjoying. But it was amazing. Wallahi, when we see from here, it's a different experience.
Thank you.